Hi Dada, happy birthday. You finally reached 50 years today and I'm so happy for you. Thank you for giving me everything I have and loving me so much. I'll always make you proud. Thank you for giving me everything. I wish you all the best for the coming years ahead. May Allah bless you.
Hello Dada, hello Ishan. I wish you all the very best and a very very happy birthday. So happy that I was a part of your journey for the last 15 years or more. And thank you for being a loving husband, a loving father, a loving brother, a loving friend, in-law. We know that you do a lot of sacrifices for us, and you always care for us, you're always there for us, and always thinks of the family first. Thank you for everything that you do. We will always love you. Have a very happy birthday. May Allah bless you with long life and good health.
Oh, Isha, my brother. It's 50 years old, huh? Man. Can't believe it. You are a special person for me, brother. You are a wonderful person with a big heart. A wonderful person who won the trust and love of everyone. You are not just a brother for me. You are my best friend. You were there for everything in our life, in good times and the bad times. I'm so happy and so lucky to have a brother like you. I love you, my brother. I wish you all the best and good luck and a very happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day with your family. Bye.
Happy birthday, Shamuda! You're 50 now. That's like half a century. So half a century more to go. Have a good day. Bye.
Have a nice day, Shah. Hi, Isha. Many happy returns of the day, darling. It's a very special birthday. May Allah bless you always. Selamat.
Wish you a happy birthday. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Shah. Old is gold. Wish you all the very best. May Allah bless you with good health, wealth, and happiness always. Have a great day. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Isha. Isha na sekarang half a century buka. Allah piamanam ka, lai hayatnya panjang king apa, bahay na maduduk at alat ka na bless king ka na sa minta dua.
Hi Isha. Wish you a happy 50th birthday. Have a good time with your family. May Allah be with you. Take care.
Hi Isha, wish you a happy birthday, bro, and welcome to the 50s club. Yeah, definitely it's a good milestone birthday to celebrate grandly. I hope you will tonight or tomorrow, whichever the case may be. So once again, happy birthday, bro. Take care.
Birthday, dear Shanaya. Happy birthday to you. Hi Shaya. Wish you a happy birthday. In a great day. May God bless you abundantly. And you have played a half century of your life. I hope and pray that will reach to the century. So once again, may God bless you. Enjoy your rest of the day. Unfortunately, Shimal is not here to wish you because he has joined the Royal Air Force. So all God's blessings will be with you, and may God bless you always. Enjoy the rest of the day, and once again, wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday. It's your big birthday. May Allah give you good health, wealth and happiness every day and keep you in a good position. Okay? Bye. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Ishan. Hope you have a great day. All the best.
Happy 50th birthday, Ishan. I love you, baby.
Hopefully, you will have the greatest memories of your life.
Happy 50th birthday, Isha. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'm sure you're aware what a wonderful person you are. You're always there when someone needs you, and that's the best quality about you. Keep that up, and we're wishing you all the best for a wonderful year. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we wish that everything that you do turns out to be positive and will be now.
Happy birthday, Isha Uwa. We wish you many happy returns of the day.
Allah bless and stay safe.
Happy birthday, Shawa.
God bless you.
Hope you have a wonderful 50th birthday. See you soon.
Mamo Vattaka. Mamo Vattaka.
Happy
birthday. Wish you a very happy birthday, Isha Malia. May Almighty Allah bless you with good health, prosperity, and
Joy.
Bye bye.
Very happy birthday, brother. May you have a wonderful day with lot of fun activities. Mona wage fun activities. Apit එක set වෙලා. Have a good day, brother. May you have many more long years, happy and healthy long years to go. All the very best. Have a good day.
Hi Shanaya. Happy 50th birthday.
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday. Oh, this is your birthday song. Oh, celebration all night long. Oh, may all your dreams come true. We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday, Isha. Have a great day ahead.
Subhupandina, 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 Meva. Subhupandina, 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 Meva.